like candy. Do you understand me? Brand new car, hop out the bed. Ice on my wrist, out of my protect. Brand new chain, ice on my neck. Got tired of the drink and I caught me a tick. I'm up all night, I don't get rest. I'm catching these flights and chasing the chick. Little baby, she wet, I don't want sex. Open your mouth and give me your neck.
I feel like pain, I get it. You can't explain this shit. You just feel pain with me. You just feel pain with me. You just feel pain with me. Shoot at my brain if you gonna kill me. Just shoot at my brain. And you think I don't hear you listening to all my pain? Y'all feeling nigga shit I can't explain, but I swear it fucking kill me, nigga. Get the band. Niggas talking, I'm the reason why they hold their hand out. Fuck all that talking, no more handouts. No coming around, no more coming around. No more talking to you, we ain't talking now. Niggas talking shit, put him in a coffin, I lay him down. Freestyle, but I killed it. I remember when they told me I'm 1 in a million. So I'm gonna go get it, go get it. I'm a king, ain't no motherfucking little kid, man. I'ma switch up the flow, I'ma just go. Feeling this pain, all I know. I can't express all this pain, all this shit on my brain, so I just put it all in a song. Hey, yeah, I'm on it. Young nigga really on it, finna blow quick. Now a nigga really moving, now they notice me. Oh shit, I guess that I'm noticed. Nah, freestyle without a paper. Niggas talking shit up, pull up tripping. I know I got haters, but I do not put that pain up in my soul, I just go. Niggas talk shit, shoot at him, let him fight, bro. Now you heard. Yeah, nigga, I pull up in a hearse. So fuck all that talking, my niggas talking, make it work. Yeah, nigga, my daddy always made it work. Now a nigga feeling worse, now a nigga gonna hurt. Yeah, I feel that pain go, and now I hurt. You feel it? Niggas talk shit, same reason I'ma kill him. Same reason why I pull up and go get him. My beat on my chest might well call me gorilla, cause I'ma kill beasts when I'm on it. Can't fuck with these bitches, I know that they switching on me like a game, so I get it. Gang, yeah, I'm hitting. I can't explain all this pain, I just speak it. I remember when they said same shit. Same nigga in the back really making lane switch. If I'm gonna take it, man, lame, man. Fucking all that talking, all that tripping, and I like my thing. That's how light work, that's my language. You feel? Same nigga taking pills. And that shit just really kill. Now you ready to know the deal. Now you really know the deal, yeah. Now you really know the deal, yeah. Now you really know the deal, yeah. Now you really know the. No auto-tune. And a freestyle. You heard me? You heard me? Play me, bitch. That's exactly why I can't explain this shit. All I feel is that pain.